Hello, welcome to the 8-Bit Journey. Today, we will learn from garbage trucks, fire engines, and road graders. So let's get started. Did you know that garbage trucks are also called trash compactors? They use a hydraulic system to squish the trash and make more room for garbage. Road rollers are like giant rolling pins that flatten and smooth out roads. They can weigh as much as 20 elephants. Skid loaders are like the Swiss Army knives of construction equipment. They can do a lot of different jobs by swapping out their attachments. Hoisting cranes can lift really heavy things, like cars and even houses. They use strong cables and pulleys to do the heavy lifting. Bulldozers are like big pushy shovels that can move dirt, rocks, and even buildings out of the way. Hey kiddos, did you have a blast watching 8-Bit Journey on YouTube? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up, and share the fun with your friends and family. Tractors are like the workhorses of farming. They can pull heavy loads and power different farming equipment like plows. Tractors with trailers are like big trucks that can carry stuff like hay bales or other construction equipment. Did you know that some bulldozers are painted red? That's because they are used in the military, and red helps them blend in with their surroundings. Industrial elevators are like big, moving rooms that can take people and things up and down tall buildings. Excavators are like giant robotic arms that can dig deep into the ground to uncover buried treasure or to help build new things. Delivery trucks are like big packages on wheels. They can carry all kinds of things, from groceries to furniture. Loaded dump trucks are like big containers on wheels that can carry a lot of dirt, rocks, or other heavy materials. Yellow loaded dump trucks are like bright sunshine on wheels. They're perfect for working on construction sites and for safety reasons. Unloading dump trucks are like big scoops that tilt up to pour out their contents, like a giant ice cream cone. Firefighting vehicles are like superheroes on wheels. They rush to the scene of a fire and help put it out. Industrial bulldozers are like the big brother of regular bulldozers. They're bigger, stronger, and can do more heavy-duty jobs. Industrial tractors are like tractors on steroids. They're designed to work on big construction sites and move a lot of heavy stuff around. Bulldozers with tracks are like big, moving tanks. They use tracks instead of wheels to help them move over rough terrain. Green excavators are like friendly giants. They use their big arms to dig up the earth and help make room for new things to grow. Concrete mixer trucks are like giant blenders on wheels. They mix cement, sand, and water to make concrete for building things. Crane with a wrecking ball is like a giant wrecking machine. It can knock down buildings to make way for new ones. Road graders are like big combs that smooth out bumpy roads. They're like a magic wand that turns a rough road into a smooth one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up, and share the fun with your friends and family. Let's keep the laughter and excitement going. See you on the next adventure.